friends, welcome back to Limoneira and happy September. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira. In the month of September, many of us are ready to get back on schedule. We've had a fun, busy summer, and it's time to focus on back to school, back to work, and having a more regular routine. All month long, I'll be sharing with you easy and healthy citrus-inspired recipes to help nourish you and your family as you head back to school and back to work. But first, I want to share with you a very fun lemon volcano activity. This is a fun STEM activity that you can do with your children. It's very easy to make, and here's how you make it. If you make this fun activity, I hope that you'll tag us on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and stick around. Every week we're posting a new video right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel, and I have lots of fun fall recipes coming up the rest of this month. Look for a sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store, and you can also order Limoneira Citrus to be delivered right to your home at limoneira.com/shop. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.